I've literally just finished doing a live stream over in the Unconditionally You tribe group, which was specifically set up if you have attended a workshop belong to me, okay? And pre the live stream, I literally just came from an interview for the Drogheda Chamber Awards. So I'm looking forward to attending that and see how we get on. See if we can get any more silverware over there on the shelf. But I suppose the purpose of me doing this live stream is to let you know exactly what I was just saying there. My last workshop of the year is on in Belfast on the 3rd of November. It's on a Sunday and it starts at 11:30 in the morning. We stop for lunch, which is included in your ticket price, and we'll finish in around 3:30. And you'll never know, at 31 minutes past 3, there might be a glass of Prosecco. So part of the interview this morning, I was explaining to the panel that it is extremely important to me that when you start your personal development journey under the I Am Positive Mindset umbrella, that I am making a promise to you that you will never be left on your own to do this work. When I was doing this work many years ago, it was pre-internet, so it was me and the books and me journals. I swore blind and I knew that I would be able to do it. I just didn't know how. Imagine, the thing that I wanted to do wasn't even in existence yet. It hadn't even been invented, but I knew that I wanted to do it. I knew that in years to come, I would have a space whereby I could support people who were doing their personal development on their own. Because I never, ever, ever want anybody to do personal development on their own ever again. Because it's really lonely, lads. So if you're sitting on the fence and thinking about, oh, should I go to that event? I'll be on my own. 100% you should, because you won't be on your own for long. That's the first thing. Because you'll be welcomed by the tribe. And second of all, you won't be left on your own after the event either. We have a complimentary group set up whereby you're put into the group and everybody in that group has attended one of my workshops. So they have the tools. You can continue your conversations, you can ask questions, you can share your wins, you can share your challenges, and everybody that's in there leans in and rows in together. And they really are creating such a beautiful tribe together and beautiful communication. So that's just an extra piece of value that you get when you attend one of my workshops. And I'm really excited about the Belfast one. I've never spoken outside of Dublin or Drogheda ever before. So going up north is a huge honour for me. And lads, we're going to the Merchant Hotel. Like, it's absolutely stunning. And I saw a businesswoman that I know locally here in Drogheda was up in the Merchant at the weekend and she was raving about it online, and I said, that's why I choose 5-star hotels. So I'm really, really glad that I chose the Merchant. Let me see, Sinead McElroy on, and hiya chicken. Can't wait to attend to sharpen my tools once again. So even if you've been before, as Sinead just quite rightly said there, it's an opportunity to sharpen the tools you already have, because this isn't a one-stop shop. This isn't you do personal development for a day and you know it all. You're only starting. That's only the start of the journey. You have to go back and refresh and reframe and practice. There has to be persistency and consistency in your personal development journey. Sinead D, it is such a great event. If I wasn't going to be away, I'd be there. Sinead McElroy, Alan, yes, you should go, buy that ticket and change your life. Oh, thanks chicken. Teresa Cavan, morning Nicola, hiya chicken. Sinead D, you will have lots of fun and lots of light bulb moments. And that's, do you know what, Sinead, that's one of the best moments for me when I'm doing the workshop, because when I'm doing the workshop, I'm on my own. I'm standing on that platform on my own. And when I give out the tools, or if I ask a question and you guys are going off and you're doing your breakout moments where you're doing your writing or you're discussing stuff with each other, I can see light bulb moments in the room. I can see people going, oh my God, I never thought of it like that before. They might have heard what I've said 1,000 times, but they haven't heard it the way I said it. And that to me is like winning the Euro Millions. Teresa Kavanagh says, I can't wait to attend my next one. Teresa Kavanagh was at the last one and she absolutely loved it. And I saw that there was a couple of light bulb moments for you as well, Teresa, on the day. So that's the story, guys. Jump on, get your ticket for Belfast. and I look forward to seeing you all there. And if you happen to know anybody that's up that way that doesn't know I Am Positive Mindset, share the promo video with them, share this video with them, and just put them in touch with me, and make sure that everybody who's up that end of the country is aware. Because do you know what I can't stand after the event? I can't believe I just missed your event. I didn't know you were going to be here. If I hadn't known you were going to be here, I would have been there. That's a killer for me. And I get those messages for weeks afterwards. Teresa Kavanagh says, big time, you're always on my shoulder. Thank you, darling. So listen, I leave it there. Take it easy. Have an absolutely great Tuesday. And I'll catch us on the page during the week. And I'm going to do WWND later on today when I have a moment, because I'm jumping into the one-to-ones now. Slán.